Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today on the 10th of September, Thursday, grade 4 science period included the topic of how the cells are grouped from page number 26 and 27 of the science reading book. The students were first taught about the smallest non-living unit of all the living things. That's the atom, how the group of atoms they combine to form molecules, and how different molecules combine to form a larger molecule, that is macromolecule, and how the macromolecules form an organelle, and a group of organelles they are enclosed in a membrane, in a cell membrane, to form a cell. And the students were taught how the life begins at this stage of cell, how the cells are alive, and how a group of similar cells they form tissues, and how a group of tissues they work together in an organ to form an organ, and how a group of organs they form an organ system, and how a group of organ systems they work together in an organism. So this level of organization was taught. We started with the division of labor as the first step in the levels of organization, and we discussed about these things like atoms and molecules and macromolecules and organelles and the cells, and different types of cells like nerve cells and skin cells were demonstrated. And also the students were explained as to how in multicellular organisms this group of similar cells they unite to form tissues, and how the group of tissues they form organs, and different organs in animals and also in plants were demonstrated, and how the organ systems are formed with a group of organs working together. An organ system of a circulatory system, as an example, was discussed, and it was elaborately explained to the students. And ultimately, the level of organism with all the group of organ systems was discussed. And at the end of the lesson, the students were well versed of the levels of organization, and also they were able to understand how the multicellular organisms have these levels, and also they understood a unicellular organism as it has only one cell. It does not have any levels of organization, but all these functions are taken care of by these cell organelles. This is what was taught in today's class, grade 4 science. Thanks. Have a nice time.